Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add two tables side by side in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app, then select the table location and go to the insert menu, going to the table option and insert to table. Then click the this table box and go to the again insert menu, go to the table and insert the table. Now I am insert right side, go to the insert menu, going to the table and insert table. Here we can see add two tables side by side in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.